So in today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to set up a phishing campaign. And pretty much it's just like a typical way or some basic way of setting up one. This is just for the demo purpose for a final project, and this is just purely just demonstration. So for this one, I'll be using the GoFish software. I've went ahead and downloaded the software. So in penetration testing environment, such as Kali Linux, many security tools are downloaded as standalone binaries rather than installed through package managers. So I've done that. As you can see from my screen here, you can see the file was downloaded. I've also unzipped the file as well. Now, I also changed make the file executable. As you can see from the command here, the file was also changed to make sure it was executable. So now I'm going to run the file, and then I'll actually have the admin and the phishing server actually get started. As you can see from here, the admin server is started, and also from here the phishing server is started. So let's take the address for the admin server because we want to go ahead and configure the campaign, and we'll open a web browser so we actually can get to that. So I've already done some pre-configuration from this here, but let's go through together. Now in the campaign section, I have not created the campaign as yet. I have not created the user group. The email template I've already created, and let's review that. We'll create this one, we call it the phishing demo project, because of course it's a demo, and we created an email subject here and a body for the email as well. So I kept the sense of urgency, urgent password expiration, password that expire in 24 hours to give them a sense of urgency. It's coming from IT support as a display name, and it's coming from my email as a Gmail account that I have using. Alright, so this email template is good, and we can exit that. I created also a landing page, and the landing page is good. Now let's set up a sending profile together. The sending profile, I'm just going to call it phishing demo, and I'm going to be using my Gmail address to send email, because we need some form of outgoing mail server, and I will definitely use my Gmail. So let's use my Gmail address first, GaryTest2025 at gmail.com. And we want to use a Gmail outgoing mail server, so that's going to be smtp.gmail.com. and then we want this because it's a secure email transmission. We want it to use port 587. Also, I've went ahead and created a password for the GoFish with my Gmail account just for this demo testing purpose, and I'll add that password here so it has access to use that email address to send emails. So let's shoot off a test email to see if it works. I'm going to send this only to myself. Student as the position. Send. Alright, so it says email is sent successfully. So let's open. Alright, it says email is sent successfully. So let's open the email to look at it. And here we go. So it works. Just letting you know that your GoFish configuration was successful. So we know that it's working, it's good. So we can actually save this profile because we'll use this to send. Alright, users and groups. So let's create a user real quick. Group name, demo. I'll create it for myself again. Gary Test. Email. There we go. Student. There we go. We're going to add that. So we know we have a group set up. Now the time is to kick off the campaign, and we're going to call the campaign demo group project. Then the email template, we have one, it's going to phishing demo project. We have the landing page password reset. We have the phishing demo sending profile. I'm going to set in the group. The group is demo that we created with the user, and we're just going to launch a campaign. Campaign schedule, and the campaign have been launched. So let's look at the email to see. There we go. Urgent password expiration. Your password will expire, and there goes the phishing campaign. It's starting. If we had multiple emails, it will keep sending to the emails.